Unexpected gear failures cost businesses millions in downtime and repairs. Traditional maintenance is reactive, fixing issues after they happen. What if you could predict failures before they occur? Introducing Vibration AI, an AI-powered solution that detects irregular patterns in vibrations, predicts failures, and enables predictive maintenance with recommendations. Using machine learning and advanced image processing, Vibration AI segments and analyzes gear conditions, identifying high-stress zones, and predicting wear before breakdowns happen. The business impact? Minimize downtime, reduce costs, improve reliability. Vibration AI transforms maintenance from reactive to predictive. Gear up for the future. Discover Vibration AI today.